legacy. Now, when we talk about the Renatus marketing plan, there are certain intricacies to it. There is no, the registration is free, the sign up is free. This is no get rich quick scheme. This is not a money making scheme. This is not a pyramid scheme. There's a legitimate business in which products are involved. We use the products. When we like the products, we share it with other people. And the ID activation is with any product. You can buy any product and you can activate your ID. If you really want to do a business, there is a separate thing for that. You need to do a certain amount of things just in case you want to do the business properly. I would say that to you in discrete detail later on. Now, there is no compulsory repurchase. There are a lot of companies in which, in order to earn income, you have to, buy a certain amount of products. Over here, you don't have to do anything like that. Over here, there is no renewal fees, or the rank qualification is simple and the marketing plan is easy to understand. When we talk about Renatus Nova, the MRP is 1,794. The distributor price, once you sign up, the price is 1,350, and the retrospective points, the commission count that we get from over here is 60 per point. Now, when we buy Novastein, which is the soap over here, the MRP is 460, the distributor price is 354, and we get 4 points out of it. And when we talk about Allosteen, the MRP of this product is 360, and the DP of this product is 290, and we get 3 points out of it. Now, there are 10 different kinds of income. The first is retail income. When we retail Renatus Nova, we get 444 rupees on MRP, which is 33%. When we retail the soap on MRP, we get 106 rupees, which is 30%. When we retail Allosteen, we get 24%, which is 70 rupees on MRP. Over the turnover bonus, the first purchase and the repurchase and the other purchases are also getting counted in the turnover bonus. So there's no worry at all. There are several thresholds. There are several slabs that we can get onto from different times. When we purchase, let's say, 2 bottles of Nova, we get 32 points. And we come on the first one. We get 4% from team A, 4% from team B. When we cumulatively or at once we buy 6 bottles. This bottle thing is just an example. We can take any product and accumulate 96 points or 96 cc. I'm just saying this for the simplicity of explanation, that if we take, let's say, 6 bottles of Nova, either at once or cumulatively, when we take 6 bottles, we get to the rank of 5%. We get 5% from team A, 5% from team B. When we get to director 250, by that time we need to increase our personal purchases to a total of 160 points. This 160 points we have to do once in a lifetime, only once. We don't have to do time and again. We have to do this only once in a lifetime. 160 cc, that means 10 bottles. We can do it all at once. We can do it from different times. Cumulatively, we can do it. By the time we get to over in director 250 and 160, we get 6% from team A, 6% from team B. When we get to the rank of director 500, by that time we have to do 288 cc in our own IRD to get 7% from team A, 7% from team B. If let's say we are on director 250 rank, but we have not made a purchase of 288 points ourselves cumulatively, then we would get 6% instead of 7% from team A and from team B. So this is something that we need to do just once, so we can create 2-3 customers on a very casual basis, and we can easily get there slowly but surely. Now, when we get to the rank of director 1000, by then we have to do 640 cc all by our own on our own IRD. If we do that, we get to a percentage of 8% from team A and 8% from team B. Now, in the rank of associate, when we get to a rank of associate, when we have personally done 32 cc and we have sponsored 2 people separately who have done 32 cc each. Now, when we do that, we get a modest income of 100 to 200 rupees each week. And the maximum income that we can get from over here is around 6,000. I'm talking about the minimum and the maximum. So the maximum is 6,000 and the minimum is around 200 rupees. When we get to director 1,000, we have already done direct 1% on team A and direct 1% in team B in the previous step itself. So we don't need to do it again and again. that the thing that we have done in the previous will suffice. Now, when we get to director 100, we need to do 100 cc cumulatively in team A and 100 cc cumulatively in team B. So in that case, 100 cc will match. Now from team A and team B, then there's a matching of 100 cc. Now when we match 100 cc, we get to director 100, and in director 100, we can earn a modest amount of minimum 500 to 600 rupees to a maximum of 10,000 rupees. Now, when we get to a rank of director 250, we have to do a matching of 250 in A team and 250 cc in B team. Now, when we do a matching of 250, we can earn a minimum income of 16 to 1800 over here, and the maximum income that we can get on this rank is 12,500. When we get to a rank of 5, director 500, we have to do a matching of 500 cc on both the legs. See, I'm saying both the legs. This is not a binary plan. This is not an illegal, illegitimate money circulation scheme. The product is involved over here. We use the products. We share the benefits. This is all we do. We do not, sponsor people randomly just for the heck of it. This is no money circulation scheme. So when we do 500 cc matching, then we get an income of around 26 to 30,000 rupees a month if we do it for 4 weeks on a trot. The maximum income that we get weekly over here is 1,500. The minimum income weekly that we can get from over here is 4,000 to 4,200. In director 1,000, the minimum income that we get from over here is 9,000 to 9,200, and the maximum income that we get from over here weekly is 20,000 rupees. Now, in director 1,000, we have to do a matching of 1,000. In executive, we have to do a matching of 2,000, and we have to have one director 500 in team A and one director 500 in team B. Now, over here, we can earn a modest income of a weekly 18 to 19,000 a month. And the maximum income that we can get out of here is 40,000 rupees. Now, senior executive, we have to do a matching of 50,000, and the maximum income is 1 lakh. In regional executive, we have to do a matching of 14,000, and the maximum income is 2 lakh. In elite executive, we have to do a matching of 40,000, and the maximum income is 3 lakh. Senior executive, 80,000 cc matching, and the maximum income 4 lakh. In regional executive, in regional elite executive, we have to do a matching of 1,60,000, and the maximum income is 5 lakh. In diamond level, we have to do a matching of 12,50,000 cc's on both the legs or all the legs combined. And in this level, the maximum income is 10 lakhs. In senior diamond, the cc matching that we have to do is 17,50,000 cc's, and we get 11 lakh rupees over here as the maximum income. The income varies depending upon your effort and your skill and the time that you devote. This is not a ATM card that you will put your ATM card and get the money out of it. This is no get rich quick scheme. Regional emerald, the maximum income is regional diamond. The maximum income is 12 lakh. Vice president 13 lakh. President 15 lakh. And in the level of king, the weekly income that you can gain, that you can get from over here, the maximum income is 21 lakh. Now, on the level of executive rank, whoever is there in your team, whoever is making an income in your team, you will get 10% out of their income from infinite depth. That means, let's say, for example, there are 100 people earning 1,000 rupees each in your team. You'll get 10% from each of them. That means you'll get around 10,000 rupees from them. Because you'll get 100 rupees from each of them. So 100 rupees from 100 people is 10,000 rupees. So this is this you'll get apart from what you have got in the dual team turnover bonus. Now in the team development bonus, whenever you do 500 cc matching in both your legs, you'll get two Novas absolutely free. You can use them personally, you can retail it. It's an additional income that you get over here. In the retreat program, we have 4 quadrants. First is April to June, second is July to September, third is October to December, and the fourth is January to March. In all these 4 quadrants, if you do 3,000 cc matching in each of your legs, let's say, for example, if you have 2 separate teams, and if you have a matching of 3,000 cc in each of them, then you get a completely unique retreat program in which training is provided by the company and the accommodation is provided by the company. Fooding and lodging is from the company, and the traveling expenses is yours. You need to bear the traveling expenses, the rest will be borne by the company. Now, there are several other rewards and awards that we get from over here: cash rewards, tours and vacation, national and international lifetime achievement award. There are several things that we get out of here, that if we in any 12 consecutive weeks, if we can maintain a certain level for 6 times, at least 6 times in 12 consecutive weeks, we get on the level of executive, we get a tab worth ₹10,000 and a cash reward of ₹5,000. We get both of them. Now, in the level of senior executive, we get a laptop or a projector worth ₹45,000 and a cash bonus of ₹10,000. In regional executive, we get a smart LED TV worth ₹50,000 and a cash reward of 50,000. In elite executive, apart from the reward, we get cash 1 lakh, senior elite executive 2 lakh, regional elite executive 4 lakh, founder elite executive 5 lakh, emerald executive 10 lakh, senior emerald executive 15 lakh, regional emerald executive 25 lakh, diamond 50 lakh, senior diamond 1 crore, regional diamond 1.5 crore, vice president 2 crore, president 3 crore, king 4 crore. So in tours and vacations, there are a couple of international tours as well that we can get from over here. If we do a matching of 45,000 cc in each of our teams, in a couple of our teams, during the month of April to September, we can get an international tour from the company, and the company takes us to an international destination, and the entire expenses is paid by the company. The traveling, the fooding, lodging, everything is paid by the company. And if we want to achieve the annual international tour, which ranges from April to March, 1st April to 31st March, we have to do matching of 1,45,000 cc, 1,45,000 in team A, 1,45,000 in team B. If we do that, we get a vacation all across the world. The eligibility criteria is mentioned below. Now, in the National Lifetime Achievement Award, if we can maintain regional elite executive 6 times in the eligibility period, the company sets aside a profit of 2%. 2% profit of the company sets aside, and it gets evenly distributed among the people who have achieved this level, which means, let's say, for example, if the profit of the company in this is, let's say the profit of the company is 100 crores, and 2 crores will be separated because 2 crores is 2% of it. And then these 2 crores will be divided among, let's say there are 10 qualifiers. Then 20 lakh rupees will be distributed among each of those 10 people. In the International Lifetime Achievement Award, anybody who has qualified regional emerald executive 6 times in a qualifying period will get the turnovers, will get the profit, 2% of the profit equally divided among whoever has qualified. Now, the registered office of the company is the head office of the company is in Bangalore. The corporate office of the company is Hyderabad, and the company has a state-of-the-art office in Calcutta, Bagdogra, Siliguri. Company has 6 lakh distributor all across the country. The company has its registered office in the US as well. The company is coming up in UK, and the company is also coming up in the Middle East as well. There are a lot of things that the company is coming up with. There are 3 different products that are currently available in India, and there are 3 other products that the company is coming up in about 2 months of time. And in the first year, the turnover of this company was 5 crores. It swelled up to 75 crores in the second year. In the third year, even though there was lockdown, we scaled a turnover of 165 crores. And in the fourth year, we have crossed a turnover of 300 crores. Now we have Mr. Saurav Ganguly as our brand ambassador. The company is growing really, really fast. The products are excellent. They are nutraceutical grade products, and the marketing plan is very generous. We distribute a lot of. It's a customer friendly and it's a distributor friendly marketing plan. You can come and join us. In case you have any queries, in case you want to have any questions, you can write it down on the comment box. You can also subscribe and comment on the channel, and you can share this video to your loved ones so that they can understand this marketing plan well and achieve great heights in this marketing plan. Thank you so much.